Good morning, everyone. Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning. Dynamite service with explosive results. Don't forget your coffee. So we're going to be doing a pool enclosure this morning. Now, normally I like to shoot the outside of the cage first and then do the inside and follow it up with the deck last. This particular homeowner wants the deck done right away. And the reason being is because there's going to be photographers coming to help sell this home, and the deck is a real eyesore. So we're going to go in and take a look at that. So I want you guys to be ready to see what we're gonna do today. I want to make sure you guys are making yourselves presentable and you know, making sure that you have work orders, you know, properly filled out, checks that are really nice. Don't want anybody to see that. But, you know, get yourself a work order, have it filled out. That way you can really make things, you look professional. Have yourself some business cards, have yourself some magnets. These are nice little magnets that can stick onto their hot water heater, because I know most people don't like to stick things onto their refrigerator. And then have some information about yourself. This is my UAMCC card, my member card. You know, have some information about yourself, you know, about what you do, so on and so forth. So it's really important to be presentable, no matter what you're doing. You want to absolutely be the professional. So I'm going to quickly sort of reorganize this because there is obviously a check in there for yesterday's work that we picked up this morning. And the reason I like residential so much is because we get paid that day. You know, in commercial world, sometimes there's terms, net 90, net 60, net 30, and you have to wait for your money. Now, we landed 100 homes that we're going to be doing in a large development for an HOA. And, you know, you're going to have to wait for your money. So you got to spend money to make money. Anyway, my whole thing was I'm going to lock this up because my wallet's in here. Even though I'm in a very nice residential neighborhood, and normally I don't pull on their driveway, but this is such a long circular driveway that I went ahead and pulled my rig up here. There's nobody in here. I have no leaks whatsoever, and that's very important. So, you know, there's no, other than the air conditioning leaking on the driveway, there's no oil that's going to be leaking. Normally never park on a customer's property whatsoever. And I know it's hard for a lot of you guys because you're pulling most of your equipment off of a trailer. I'm completely mobile. So mobile hose reel, couple hundred feet of supply line. Never have to move my machine. My machine stays. Yes, my machine could be attached to the rig, and our commercial rigs, that's how that works. But this 55-gallon poly tank, I can literally draw and shoot up on a roof with 100-foot of hose. So, you know, 100 feet isn't a very long way, but I can manipulate this thing around. Yesterday, I did a house wash, and I moved it twice. And that was for the pool enclosure, the house, the driveway, sidewalks. I moved it from the back of the house, where I shot everything, to the front of the house. I didn't do the roof. I did get up on the gutter and clean out the gutters. But we're gonna turn you around and we're gonna see this pool deck, and that's why you came to see this video. All these stepping stones obviously need to be done. This is the pool enclosure. It's rather large, a little bit older. As you can see the mold on the screens already. This is a type of screen that is solid, so it really keeps bugs out. It's really nice. But we're gonna show you what this looks like here. There you go. So as we come in here and take a look at the deck itself, you can really see, you know, what's going on in these pavers. And we're gonna show you some areas that are just really bad. And you can see some areas that are compromised where we have rips already on the screen. You can just see how dirty this is here. So we're gonna shoot that while we're doing the deck, just to make it a little prettier. I'd like to do all of this, but the whole inside of the cage is gonna have to be done at another time. You can see we've got a good amount of leaves built up over here. And I'll bring you over here and show you also what that looks like. Same thing here. you just have a ton of leaves right there. So you see all that buildup right there? So, oh, I got a bird in here too. Hopefully I can open up these doors and maybe get that bird out of here. So you see what we got working here. Oh, you have multiple birds in here. It's become an atrium. Anyway, what I wanted to show you is what these pavers look like. So obviously this is all gonna have to be dusted off first. You know, look at this buildup here. That's just completely unacceptable. So this is what we will be working on. Now, I wonder if the little birdies are flying up in through here somewhere. Anyway, I don't see a nest, but so this is what the pavers look like. And we're gonna show you what they look like once I get finished. It'll be just a couple of hours and I'll be done. So take a look at this when you get an opportunity. I hope everyone's having a great day. TNT Pressure Cleaning, dynamite service with explosive results.